Where are the tools? Or did I put them in the tank bag? Huh. Where are the tools? I hear the rattling around in there in the apartment. It has all our protective rain covers, rain resistant covers and bags, otherwise known as garbage bags. So we're gonna need I think it was the 12 and the 14. That's a little small. And we're gonna hold that one with the 14 and back that one out with the 12. I'm gonna say that needs to be tightened. I don't know how far. Wait. Tightened is... Which way is tight again? My brain's getting all confused. So that... Every time I walk away from this, I forget how it works. That, you tighten that, it's bringing the axle back. Yeah. So that is tight. Bringing the axle back. So that was a full rotation tighter. Something along those lines. Why did I get rid of that towel? That towel was nice for 4%. Nice for cleaning my fingers off. Loosen that up and cut myself on the exhaust pipe. Tighten this up. Gotta go in this direction. Full turn. Full turn was significant, I believe. How are we? Oof! That's a bit. It's a hair tight. It's a hair tight. Very close. I'll loosen that up. Quarter turn or so. And we're gonna loosen this up. Quarter turn or so. Use my dirty fingers to do the dirty work. How you like that? Whoosh. An inch of free play. Cool enough. I'm gonna just hold that for a second while that wrench is a bit fat for this job. Tighten that up. And tighten that up. Oh, sorry, you can't really see that. Tighten that up. And we're good to go. Very nice. All right, time to clean up. 1%.